Hi viewers, welcome to English Tutor with another episode of Learning English. Today I have come up with articles for you. A and the are called articles. A and the हमने बहुत लिखे हैं, बहुत पढ़े हैं, बहुत सुने हैं. इनमें से A and an को हम अनिश्चित आर्टिकल कहते हैं. A and an are two forms of single article. एंड दे डिनोट वन, ये एक की तरफ इशारा करते हैं. एंड दे आर यूज्ड बिफोर सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन, जिसको हम काउंट कर सके और वो एक ही चीज हो, उससे पहले ए और एन लगाया जाता है. Both A and an are used when we are not speaking of any particular person or thing. जब हम किसी विशेष व्यक्ति या चीज की तरफ इशारा नहीं कर रहे होते या किसी विशेष चीज के बारे में नहीं बता रहे होते, we use A or an, like a car, an orange, a woman. So here we are not pointing towards any particular thing. These are the things in general, and we use A or an before them. Coming to A first, it is used in various situations, but we will try to keep it simple as of now in order to avoid any kind of confusion. Now, in which situations A is used? First, before countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time. वो countable noun जिनके बारे में हम पहली बार बात कर रहे हैं. For example, I saw a lion today in the zoo. आज मैंने लायन देखा. Next, I have never seen a magic show. Second situation is before adjectives beginning with the consonant sound. Now, what is consonant sound? As we all know that English alphabet has 26 letters, out of which 5 letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels and rest are called consonant. जो words बोलते वक्त consonant sound produce हो, उन वर्ड से पहले अ लगाया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई सॉ अ रियल लाइफ हीरो टुडे. शी फाउंड अ बुक. अ काउ इज सिटिंग इन मिडल ऑफ द रोड. गोल्ड इज अ प्रेशियस मेटल. डू यू सी अ ब्लू स्काई? थर्ड, टू एक्सप्रेस क्वांटिटी. जब हम क्वांटिटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, आई कितना. I got a pair of shoes. A great deal of effort is required to win the match. A dozen of bananas will be enough. A little amount is left in my account. A lot of people got stranded due to curfew. Fourth situation is before units of price, speed, weight, ratio, etc. For example, sugar is rupees 50 a kilo. Next, this bike gives a mileage of 40 kilometers a liter. Fifth is in expression of frequency. जब हमने ये बताना है कि कितनी बार, गति बताना है. For example, we have dance class once a week. She exercises twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. Sixth, in exclamatory expression. जब हम हैरान होते हैं किसी चीज को देख के. For example, what a beautiful scene, what a pity, what a shame. Coming to an performs the same function as A, but an is used before singular countable noun which starts with the vowel sound. An वही काम करते हैं जो A काम करता है, लेकिन ये vowel sound से पहले use होते हैं. I've told you what are vowels. A, E, I, O and U are called vowel. इन लेटर से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड से पहले an लगाया जाता है. For example, an apple, an enemy, an inkpad, an orange, an umbrella. Exceptions while using A and an. वो English ही क्या जिसमें exceptions नहीं है. Exception is very common in English language. Now where not to use an. An is also used before words which may not start with vowels, but when spoken gives sound of a vowel. ये उस वक्त भी यूज होते हैं बेशक ये उस लेटर से नहीं स्टार्ट हो रहे, लेकिन इनमें से आवाज वाउल की निकल रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन आर, H is silent in R and it is giving sound of R, O. That is why we use an R, an ear, an MP, an SP. Same way, A is also used before words which may start with vowel but sound is different. For example, a university. Now university is giving sound of U, Y-O-O. A 1 rupee note. Although one is starting from O, but आवाज निकल रही है व की. तो a 1 rupee note, a European, a unit. The is the definite article used before singular or plural countable and uncountable nouns. ये singular plural चाहे उसकी गिनती हो सकती है या नहीं हो सकती, उससे पहले लगाया जाता है. Its main use is to specify a person, place or thing. ये किसी विशेष व्यक्ति या चीज की तरफ इशारा करता है. It refers to a particular thing. विशेष चीज या विशेष व्यक्ति बताने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं द. द को अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में कैसे यूज करना है, we'll study that. The is used before a singular noun when it refers to a particular group or class. जब ये किसी particular class की तरफ इशारा करता है तो हम the यूज करते हैं. The dog is a faithful animal. Next example, the class is empty. The fox is very clever animal. इन sentences में dog, class, fox, particular group की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है. The is used before the names of rivers, mountains, gulfs, seas, oceans, etc. For example, the Ganga is a sacred river. The Himalayas is tourist attraction. The Indian Ocean is vast. The is also used before names of countries in plural. For example, the United Kingdom, the United States of America. It is also used before names of religious books. Before names of religious books, हम the लगाते हैं. For example, the Vedas, the Gita, the Bible, the Ramayana. It is also used before hotels, museums and historical places. For example, the Ashoka Hotel, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. The is also used before the names of families in plural. जब हम किसी खानदान के बारे में बात करते हैं, then also the is used. The Kapoors, the Khans. The is also used before the superlative objects. For example, the best boy, the sweetest voice, the worst thing, the prettiest girl. The is also used before names of communities or races. For example, the Sikhs, the Muslims, the English, the Chinese, etc. Coming to the exemptions where the is not to be used. First one, before abstract noun. Abstract noun, for example, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is abstract here. So we will not use the before honesty. Before proper noun, Mumbai is a big city. We are not using the before Mumbai. Before names of the games, hockey is a national sport. Before colors, like white is my favorite color, not the white is my favorite color. We will not use the before mentioning particular color. Thank you for watching the lesson. Hope you like it. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel English Tutor.